Did you know that over 78% of drivers are using less than half of the hidden features their car already has? And here is the crazy part. Even professional drivers miss more than 60% of these deep-level tricks because they are buried so far inside the car's software that most people never discover them. Your car is hiding secret menus, hidden resets, advanced calibration hacks, and performance-enhancing shortcuts that manufacturers never advertise. In this video, you are going to learn 13 hidden car tricks even pro drivers don't know. And once you know them, you will drive with an advantage 99% of people don't even realize exists. Let's dive in. Secret number 13. The 3-second throttle mapping reset. Most drivers never realize that modern cars learn your driving style, and sometimes that learning becomes sloppy over time, making throttle response feel lazy or unpredictable. But here is a hidden trick. The 3-second throttle mapping reset. When you press the accelerator fully for 3 seconds with the ignition on, most ECUs wipe out their adaptive throttle memory. After starting the engine again, the car feels tighter, sharper, and more responsive. Drivers who try this often swear it feels like an instant horsepower upgrade, even though it's just the ECU going back to factory-fresh responsiveness. This trick is especially powerful on older cars where adaptive data has built up for years. And once you feel the difference, you will wonder why nobody ever teaches this to regular drivers. Secret number 12. Ultra-sharp cornering. Even pro drivers underestimate how much control they can gain simply by shifting weight at the right moment. Your car's suspension, tires, and chassis are all designed around weight distribution, and a small lift off the throttle before turning transfers weight to the front wheels, giving them massive extra bite. Once the car rotates, you smoothly reapply power to transfer weight back and stabilize the rear. This ultra-precise balance massively improves grip and reduces understeer without needing better tires or suspension upgrades. This technique is used by race instructors and rally drivers, yet almost no regular driver has even heard of it. It works at low speeds, high speeds, in wet conditions, and even on cheap tires. Once you master this, every turn feels cleaner, safer, and far more satisfying. Secret number 11. The tire cooling stability trick. Tires heat up far more than people realize. Secret number 8. Especially during highway speeds, spirited driving, or long summer trips. When they get hot, the rubber becomes softer, traction changes, and tire pressure rises significantly. But here's the hidden trick that endurance drivers use religiously. When stopping for a break, avoid parking with hot tires on hot asphalt. Choose concrete, shade, or cooler surfaces instead, so the tires cool evenly. Uneven cooling can cause micro cracks, accelerated wear, and pressure imbalances that make the car feel unstable at high speeds. By letting your tires cool naturally and evenly, you increase their lifespan, improve handling, and reduce the risk of blowouts. It is such a small thing, but it has massive long-term benefits that even pros sometimes overlook. Secret number 10. The reverse visibility. Hack the pros. Rarely used backup cameras are helpful, but they don't eliminate blind spots, and they're terrible at showing curbs, wheel angles, and low obstacles. That's why professional drivers manually tilt their mirrors downward before reversing, giving themselves a wide and clear view of the curb line and rear wheels. This trick makes parallel parking unbelievably easy because you can see your wheel alignment in real time. It also prevents thousands of dollars in wheel scratches, curb rash, and parking misjudgments. Some cars even allow you to program a mirror tilt whenever reverse gear is engaged. Once you start doing this, reversing feels like you suddenly upgraded your car with a high-precision surveillance system. Secret number 9. The emergency steering trick. Pro drivers almost never reveal. When most drivers panic brake in emergencies, they end up with understeer. Due to that, Your car refuses to turn even though the wheel is turned sharply. But here is the hidden technique taught in advanced driving schools. Press the brakes hard to scrub speed, then slightly release them right before you steer. This instantly restores front-wheel traction and allows you to swerve cleanly without losing control. It is called threshold steering, and it is one of the most important life-saving techniques a driver can learn. Once you practice it, your emergency reactions become sharper and far more controlled. Secret number 7. The engine drag assist trick for downhill control. Most drivers rely heavily on the brakes while going downhill, which overheats the pads, boils the brake fluid, and reduces stopping power. But high-performance drivers use a hidden trick called engine drag assist, where you use a lower gear to let engine compression naturally slow the car. Unlike braking, which heats and wears components, engine drag is free, stable, and perfectly repeatable. The deeper secret most drivers don't know: feather the throttle very lightly in a lower gear to stabilize the drivetrain and eliminate sudden jerks while descending steep grades. This gives you smooth, controlled speed without burning your brakes, and it keeps the car's weight evenly distributed instead of shifting forward too aggressively. Secret number 6. The micro-countersteer. Memory hack used by rally drivers. Secret number 4. Skidding terrifies most drivers, but pro rally drivers actually rely on skids because they understand the physics behind them. Here is the hidden trick. Whenever your rear end begins to slide, your brain often freezes for half a second, which is enough to lose control. The micro-countersteer technique trains your hands to respond instinctively. You apply a small, quick steering correction in the direction of the skid, then instantly neutralize to recenter the wheels. This tiny reflex stabilizes the car before your conscious mind even reacts. Practicing this in safe environments builds muscle memory, and suddenly skids that once felt dangerous become manageable. This technique works in rain, snow, gravel, and even aggressive cornering. Secret number 5. The secret heat soak reset trick. For instant engine performance, turbocharged and high-compression engines suffer from heat soak, where the intake and engine bay heat up so much that the car loses power. Most drivers think they need to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes, but here is a hidden engineering trick. Turn on your cabin heater at full blast with the blower on maximum for 60 to 90 seconds. It sounds crazy, but the heater core pulls heat out of the coolant system rapidly, which drops engine temps far faster than idling alone. Track drivers use this trick between runs when every degree matters. Within 1 minute, power often returns, throttle response sharpens, and the engine feels awake again. It is uncomfortable for the driver, but incredibly effective. When you need instant performance, this trick turns a heat-soaked engine back into a powerhouse. Secret number 3. The deep vision. Triangle trick for perfect lane control. Most drivers stare too close in front of the car, which reduces reaction time and causes sloppy lane keeping. High-performance and endurance drivers use a deeper technique, the vision triangle. You don't just look far ahead. You mentally create 3 reference points: the far horizon, the mid-distance lane markings, and the immediate road edges. By cycling your focus between these 3 points, your brain builds a 3D map of the road ahead. This drastically improves your ability to predict curves, avoid hazards, and maintain effortless lane stability even at high speeds. The vision triangle is so effective that professional driving instructors teach it as one of the first steps in race training. Once mastered, the car feels like it drives itself along perfect, invisible rails. Secret number 1. Turn off lane warnings forever. Most drivers don't realize that lane departure warnings are not fully controlled by the dashboard button. That button only temporarily disables the beeps, meaning every time you restart the car, the system turns itself back on. But the deep trick hidden inside many modern cars is the persistent override, which permanently disables lane warnings until you decide to re-enable them. You access this by entering the secret driver assistance submenu, usually hidden behind a long press of the steering wheel assist button. Once inside, you scroll to driver assistance, open lane safety, and switch it from warning plus assist to assist only or off fully. This permanently removes the constant beeps and vibration alerts, while still keeping optional steering assist available if you choose. That's all for this video. Now you know hidden car tricks that even pro drivers rarely discuss. If you start using these techniques, your driving will instantly feel sharper, smoother, safer, and more in control. See you in the next video.